Hello and welcome back to the session on material handling and facilities planning. We are now in the fifth module. In this session, we will see the topics system concept, system and subsystem. Now, one definition of the system is a system is a collection of interacting or independent entities that form a unified whole. Another definition is a complex unity formed of many often diverse parts subject to a common plan or serving a common purpose. And a system integration should encompass the entire supply chain including reverse logistics. It should include suppliers, manufacturers, distributors and customers. So it can be defined in many ways depending upon the field or situation where it is applied. So as we are mechanical engineers, we are interested in the manufacturing and production field. So let us take an example from this field, and that is a manufacturing system. A manufacturing system is a collection of integrated equipments and human resources whose function is to perform one or more processing and assembly operations on a raw material, part or a set of parts. A set of operations performed on material which brings them closer to the desired final form. We will focus on these 2 points, that is processing and assembly, and also on this raw material. And let us take this example of a car as the desired final form. So a company is manufacturing a car and we are focusing only on the manufacturing plant and considering this as a system. That is the manufacturing plant, it is considering it as a system. We have this raw material, then the equipment, then the tooling, the fixers, the labor, and we are supplying this energy, and these are all the input to the plant, and we are getting this product which is a car, and it is the output, and also we are getting this scrap and waste. So this whole thing is forming a system. All this are the parts of the system. Now this can be considered as a subsystem. So now we'll see the definition of a subsystem. The important characteristics of a system are the parts called the subsystems, which are interrelated and guided by a purpose for which the system exists. In an industry, material handling is a subsystem or a part of the production system. So in an industry or for a company, different sections will be there or different departments will be there, and that handles this customer requirement, details about the customer requirement. Then there is a design wing, then a manufacturing wing, then assembly section, and after all this we are getting the final product that is coming out. So if we consider this as a production system, everywhere the material handling is taking place, and the material handling itself can be considered as a subsystem of this production system. Now let us recollect the system principle which we have seen in the previous module. That is, a material movement and storage activities should be fully integrated to form a coordinated operational system which spans receiving, inspection, storage, production, assembly, packaging, unitizing, order selection, shipping, transportation, and the handling of returns. So everywhere from the starting, that is the raw material which is coming to the plant location, there it is receiving, there it is material is being handled, and then it is taken for inspection, there it is handled, then from the inspection it is taken to the storage section where it is stored, and from the storage section it is taken to the production unit, and from the production unit the different components which is manufactured in different sections will be handled to the assembly section where it is assembled, and then that final product is taken to the packaging section where it is packed, and finally it is a shipping and transportation. So we can see that everywhere the material handling is taking place. So now we can consider the material handling system, material handling itself as a system. So here we are considering the material handling as a system. So if we consider the material handling as a system, what are the subsystems of this material handling system? That is, what are the parts of this material handling system? And that is, one, it is the design or method to be adopted. Then the types of material handling equipment that is to be used, and different operations like packing, unpacking, movement and storage involved, and then the maintenance required for the equipment that is employed for this material handling operation, and then the mode of transportation by the raw material suppliers, distributors and customers. Now all these are the parts of the material handling system. So this can be considered as the subsystems of material handling system. So the system concept of material handling as a system, in actual exercise, the system concept of material handling means the different types of material handling needed at different parts of an industry and associated suppliers and customers, and are to be considered in whole. Only this methodology will ensure an overall cost-effective material handling solution for the industry. So in this session we have seen what is a system and what is a subsystem, and what are the parts of a material handling system. Thank you.